Good morning, students. Today we can know about the shape of the earth. Today's chapter is the shape of the earth. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the solar system, the earth, shape of the earth, the universe. In this lesson, we are going to know about the solar system, the earth, the shape of the earth and the universe. So, what is the shape of the earth? Do you know what is the shape of the earth? The earth is spherical round. The earth shape is spherical round. It's like a orange. It's like a orange. Here, now, where we are living? We are living in the earth. We are living in the earth or no, children? We are living in the earth. Yes or no? Okay. We are living in the earth. So, today in this chapter, we can know what is the shape of the earth. In the earth, what is the shape of the earth and what and all will be in the earth. What is universe? What is solar system? Regarding this, we can go through in this lesson. Okay. Now, open your textbook, page number 264 and 264 you open and see your textbook. Now, we know that it is a morning when the sun rises in the east, it shines bright in the sky during the day and it sets in the west at the end of the day. What could we find in the sky during the night? We find the moon shining and countless stars twinkling in the dark sky. Okay, we know that this is a morning. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. Where the sun rises, children? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the evening time, the sun will set in the west. At the end of the day, the sun will set in the west. It rises in the east and sets in the west. Can you tell me now, the sun rises in east. What is the spelling of east? E-A-S-T, east. E-A-S-T, east. What is the spelling of west? W-E-S-T, west. Okay, children. Now, you can say sun rises in east and sets in west. We find the moon shining and countless of stars twinkling in the dark sky. You are seeing what you will see in the night. You will see the night. You will see the moon in the night and twinkling stars at the sky. In the night time, you will see the stars and moon. No, children. How many moon will be? There will be only one moon, no? Afterwards, there will be one stars. No, there will be countless of stars. Too much of stars. When you will see the stars, you will become very happy, no? Yes. Okay. Now, let's go to your textbook now. The sun along with the 8 planets make up the solar system. The sun along with 8 planets. Which are the 8 planets? What are the 8 planets? What is sun? Do you know what is the sun? The sun is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. The sun is a star. First of all, the sun is a star. The sun is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. It is a hot glowing gases. Okay. Then what? The sun along with 8 planets make up the solar system. This is a solar system. You are seeing now, children, this is a solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. The Earth is a third planet which we are living. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets that revolves around the sun. All the planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets of the solar system. All the planets in the solar system revolves around the sun in their fixed paths called orbits. Fixed paths are called as orbits. These 8 solar system planets are revolve around the sun. It will revolve around the sun is called as a orbit. Now, the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is not in the textbook. Listen very carefully while I am explaining. Listen children, listen to me. Everyone, it is not in a textbook. It is not in your textbook. Listen to me. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Mercury planet is very nearest to the sun. It is extremely hot. It will be extremely hot and extremely cold. It is very extremely hot in the daytime and it will be extremely cold in the night time. The second planet is Venus. Venus is the hottest and brightest of all the planet. It is very hottest and the brightest of all the planet, as it can see in the morning, and it can also called as morning star or evening star. It is also called as morning star and evening star it seems. The Venus is very brightest planet and very hottest also. It is very hottest and brightest. First we can see the Mercury. Mercury is very smallest, but the Venus is very hottest. Okay, now we can see about Earth. Earth is third planet. The Earth is very third planet in our solar system. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with the water. If you see the Earth, 70% of the Earth is covered by the water, due which the Earth is also called as blue planet. The Earth is called as a blue planet because the Earth is covered by water about 70%. 70% of water is covered in the Earth. So, the Earth will looks like a blue color. So, it is called as a blue planet. Again, after Earth, Mars. It is a fourth planet. It is a fourth planet, Mars. It is also known as red planet. It is also known as red planet, children. Listen to me carefully. Mercury is smallest, Venus is hottest, Earth is 70% of the water, and now we are knowing about Mars. Mars is also known as red planet because of presence of red soil. In the Mars we can see red soil. You are seeing the soil, no? That soil in the Mars, it will be in red color, red soil and rocks. So, after that, the fifth largest planet is solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth largest planet. It is the largest planet. After Jupiter, it is so large. Jupiter is so large. It can occupy nearly 1,300 Earth inside it. It covers 1,300 Earth inside it seems. Now, in one Earth we are living. Yes or no? In the Earth we are living. So, in the Earth planet we are living. Like that, 1,300 planet will be occupied it seems. So big it will be, no? So, Jupiter is the largest planet. It is the largest planet. The sixth planet, that is Saturn, it is the second largest planet in the solar system. The first largest is which one? The first largest is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest because 1300 Earths it will occupy inside its. So, the sixth largest planet is Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is yellowish in color. Which color it will be? Will be yellowish in color. It has beautiful ring around it. It has beautiful ring around it. That all made up of ice and dust. That is made up of ice and dust. It is made up of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. So the seventh planet is Uranus. The thick layer of the gas covered this planet. In this planet, the thick layer of gas will be covered. The eighth planet, the last planet is Neptune. As this planet is very far from sun, it is very farthest to the sun. Cold wind blows here at very high speed. Here will be cold, very cold winds will blow, it seems, with a very high speed. Okay, go to the next page. Go to the next page. Can you see? Keep your fingers on that. The Earth is the one of the planet. It is our home. It is only planet known so far has water on it. Many plants and animals live on the Earth. There is no other planet where life exists. The three things necessary for life are air, water and warmth. The Earth is made of both land and water. It is surrounded by a layer of air. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. It is the third planet from the Sun and therefore gets the right amount of light and the warmth from the Sun. All the factors this made the Earth unique planet that supports life. So here the Earth is a third planet from the Sun. I told no children already the Earth is a third planet from the Sun because we live in the Earth. Where we will live? We live in the Earth. The Earth is a unique planet. It is a unique planet because in the other planets we won't get the water. We won't get the water. In the Earth only we will get the water. To live, to exist, to survive, we need the water. All the human beings, animals, birds, plants, everything need water to live. Only in the Earth we can we can see the water. Other than that, in any planets we can't see the water. So the Earth is a unique planet which have liquid water surface. It have a liquid water surface. Millions of species, plants, animals all exist in the Earth. Millions of planets because in the Earth we can get water. So millions of species and plants and animals are exist in the Earth. I told no children about 3/4 of water, 3/4 of Earth covered with the water. 3/4 of water covered with water means what? About 70% of water is covered in the Earth. There is a 70% of water is there. In the whole Earth, it covered 70% of water. That is only nearly 30% only land is there. Totally 70%. it's covered from the water. So only when the astronauts who went to the moon and they have taken the photos from the moon. When they are taken the photos from the moon, the earth is look full of blue color because the earth is fully covered with the water. 70% of water is fully covered with the water. Only 30% of the land that human beings are surviving. Okay, so it is a unique planet. Which is a unique planet, children? The earth is a unique planet.